All right, the next thing I'd like to do is go ahead and light the Bunsen burner. Lighting the Bunsen burner is of course a safety issue, so you want to make sure you know what you're doing. First off, this is on with the gas when the line is parallel with the valve, right? When it's 90 degrees from the line, from the the tubing, then it is off, right? No gas is coming through. If you could hear it earlier, you shouldn't be able to hear it now coming through. All right. This is the Bunsen burner itself. The Bunsen burner has two valves on it. It has this one right here, which is for oxygen, and this one right here, which is for the methane gas, okay? And so those two control the flame. They control the height of the flame and the temperature of the flame, as we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and light it up, right? Turn on your gas full all the way, and then get it going, okay? And you can hopefully see this Bunsen burner. Use my black shirt as a backdrop a little bit, okay? And if I turn this valve, the oxygen valve, you can see that the color can change, right? The more yellow the flame or orange the flame, the colder the flame actually is. And in fact, what you'll end up with is soot, because a lot of the carbon is not being used up and turned into carbon dioxide, and so that turns into soot, black soot. So if you put something over it, like a glass beaker or something, you'll see that soot collect. Okay. You can also adjust the height of the flame. You might be able to see this. See the flame maybe getting smaller and smaller, right? And then I open it back up and it gets bigger. Okay, so that's messing with the flame a little bit. You can see a few other colors besides blue and orange in there, and those are typically from metals that have collected on it over time. All right, now we're going to do our steel wool demo. Okay, this is a little bit of steel wool. Put in some tongs, and I'm going to light it up. And you can see it does light up. Interesting looking. See it go out. Okay, after having been lit a couple of times already, the steel wool is kind of exhausted. It doesn't light up in quite the same way as it did earlier, right? And also, I think you should see how to turn off the gas and turn off, therefore, the Bunsen burner. Again, just put it back to 90 degrees and it goes off, right? So that's the only thing you have to do for that.